This is Rich Moyer with video number 5 on how to create backup splash pages from the images I posted up on Facebook. The things we've covered so far is, we've joined as an affiliate. We got backup. We've joined Build-A-Biz Online. We've created our own template with our links, with your particular links in them. And we actually replicated that page to create a splash page that has the shark on it. Now, what I want to show you is how to use that so you can have multiple pages and use the rotator to have one URL to promote to display all of them. I'm going to go into the Build-A-Biz Online free member tools, and you see there's a URL rotator right here. Well, what I want to do is come all the way down to the bottom of the page, and it's going to say create a new rotator. Now, I want to make sure this brandable top bar is not shown, all right, because it gets in the way of the displays sometimes. So I'm going to create a new rotator, and when I come down to the bottom of the page again, you're going to see this rotator name. Now, I'd save that because that's the URL you're going to promote to show every link in your rotator. Now, 7988 is the one you got to remember, or whatever it is on your system. I'm going to go in to Got Backup, and you see this is the shark page that we created. I'm going to get this URL right here. So how did I get there? Let's just go back to how I got there. Before I go anywhere else, let's go to Pro Member Tools. Now I'm going to do a control. Open another window here. Pro Member Tools. Get down to our splash page builder. And I'm going to grab, go all the way down the bottom. You see here's the page we created with the shark. I'm going to view that splash page. All right. And this is the URL you're going to want to use. So now you come back over here to the banner rotator all the way down the bottom. And you're going to paste that URL right in here. All right, you don't need to worry about how many or limit your, but what you got to do is make sure you select the rotator you just created. So that was 7988. Now we click Add to the rotator. Again, we're going to go all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see it created a new rotator with that URL, and it has one in there. Now, how to add another one to it? Well, let's just go back over to our page here. I created one with an elephant. I'm going to display that, grab that URL, copy it, come over here to the URL rotator, all the way down the bottom, paste it into here, and select the one that I created. 7988 was the one I created. Add to the URL, and we can check that. Now, all you have to do is click, use this particular URL, and it'll just go through the rotator. You can add or delete as many of these as you want. You can pause them. So if you say, well, this is Shark Week, I want sharks out there, but I don't want elephants, you can pause it. And using this one URL, you don't have to remember each of the individual pages. Okay, so this is a really cool way to do this, and every time it displays, it's going to display another one. So, I mean, we can check them out right here. Just click it once, and it's going to show the elephant. All right, we're going to click it again, and the shark. All right, and if I added others in there, it just rotate through them. So that's the final step here on how to create a rotator that can show multiples of these splash pages. Give your people some variety. People get, they see static stuff, and you can create your own images for these things too, and put them out there. But you have a real easy way now to display all the splash pages that I've or the splash page images that I've created by using the rotator within Build-A-Biz Online. Thanks a lot. This is Rich Moyer, and my contact information is here. Please feel free to contact me and let me know how things are going, or you can post in the Facebook group. If you need help, please feel free to give me a call, and I'll be glad to help you out. Thanks again, and I appreciate your time and energy, and I hope this helps you get more conversions. Thanks.